In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the tissues. What are the tissues? Tissues are formed from the group of cells. Okay. Next, these tissues forms organ and these organ together form one organ system. Plant tissues are differentiated into two types. First one is meristematic tissue and next one is what? Permanent tissue. What is meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissues are nothing but the cells which divide actively, continuously without any stop. Okay. These meristematic tissues are found in which plants? Vascular plants. Vascular plants are nothing but in which the xylem and phloem both are present. And this term meristem was coined by C. Nageli. Structure of meristematic tissue. The cells in the meristematic tissue are either spherical, oval or polygonal in shape, and in this meristematic tissue intercellular spaces are absent. As you can see on the board, the intercellular spaces are absent. Next, the cell wall is made up of cellulose. Large nucleus is present in the center and vacuoles are present which are very small in size, and it has the capacity for the division of cell. Based on origin, development, position and function, this meristematic tissue has been classified. Okay, first one we are going to see about based on the origin into how many types this tissue has been classified. First one is what? Primordial meristem and primary meristem and secondary meristem. What is primordial meristems? Embryonic meristems or the meristem of new growth centers are known as what? Primordial meristems or promeristem. It has undifferentiated cells. What is undifferentiated cells? The function of these cells are unknown. They will be divided actively without any restriction. When the shape changes of this primordial meristem, it becomes primary meristem. Next one is what? Primary meristem. From where it is originated? This originated from the embryonic cells which we saw in the primordial meristem. The tip of the roots and shoot has primary meristem. When the plant body is developed from these cells, then it is known as what? Primary body. These meristems remain active throughout the life of the plant. Next is secondary meristem. What is secondary meristem? It is also known as non-meristematic tissue or the permanent tissue. Secondary meristems are those which arise as new meristem in non-meristematic tissue. Tissues formed from these meristem are called as what? Secondary tissues. For example, interfascicular cambium and cork cambium. Within the vascular bundle, cambium is present in between the xylem and phloem. When it is present inside the vascular bundle cambium, then it is known as intrafascicular cambium. When it is present outside the vascular bundles, then it is known as what? Interfascicular cambium. Those tissues are formed from the secondary meristems. Next one is what? Meristems based on position in plant body. According to their position in the plant body, meristems divided into apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. What is apical meristem? In the apical meristem, at the tips of the stem and the root, the cells divide actively, continuously, and they helps in the increase of height of the plant. They helps in the growth of the plant simply. Okay. Next is lateral meristem. Lateral meristem divides laterally and helps in the increase of width of the plant. Example here is what? Cork cambium and cambium. Next is intercalary meristem. In the intercalary meristem, the cells divide at the internodes of grasses and gives rise to the lateral branches. Even in other plants, it will give rise to the lateral branches, leaf buds and flower buds. In next tutorial, we are going to see about the meristems based on their function and development. If you found this tutorial helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.